Going to learn exercise called as wiper. Okay, this is also a good exercise for your hip mobility and also for your thoracic. Let's see how to do this. See this, just keep your leg like a L. Okay, slowly shift your leg to the other side without raising the shoulder up. Okay, now slowly twist it to the other side. You can feel the good stretch in your hip area and also in your thoracic region. Okay, you will feel very good. Do it slow and steady. Try maintaining this L posture. Your knee should be parallel to your hip bone, and your knee and your heel should be in the parallel line. Your knee in line with your heel and your hip bone in line with the knees. This is how you need to focus on these movements. Let's see how to do the book opener. See this, you need to keep the leg like a L. Your knee is exactly in line with your hip bone and your heel in line with your knee. Try keeping your head up. See this, she's keeping her head up. Now slowly turning to the other side and trying placing both the shoulders on the floor. Okay, slowly bring it back. Come on, again to the other side. Initially start doing from 5 reps or 10 reps and start progressing towards the movement. This is also a good stretch for your thoracic muscles. So it is going to increase the thoracic mobility, and you can just see the improvement in your posture after doing these exercises or regularly at least for a few days, 10-15 days, or regularly at least for a few days, 10-15 days. If you just keep continuing this, doing these exercises, you can feel that your back is getting very mobile and roaming around pain-free. So this is how you're going to get benefited from the wiper, and also the book opener is one of the main exercises. Try doing this movement as your warm-up routine, or let me know your feedback and comment. Thank you.